Hi, I'm Schizo Sammy. 77, 77, 77. Today, I'm a little stoned and I'm here to talk to you about sex. Or, as some may know it, the birds and the bees. One day, the bird was flying around in the forest somewhere. He sees this bee's nest, and he wanted to have this sweet, sweet taste of the honey of the bees. Oh, yeah. But the bees didn't like that. So they were all like, fuck you, and they stung him a bunch of times. The bird was thinking, ah, shit. So he flies back home, he jerks himself off a bit, anaphylactic shock kicks in. Oh, yeah. And he died. The end. The end. The end. Is that gonna end it? You son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. What the fuck? I'll cut you.